Hello friends, my name is Krishna Kardate. Your warm welcome to my YouTube channel Invest for Tomorrow. Friends, in the last video we have discussed the concept of term insurance and how it come into force. So today's topic or today's video for the technical aspects of term insurance. So before going to take term insurance, we need to consider some technical aspect of that particular insurance, and that technical aspects I have discussed with these technical aspects. So what are the technical aspects regarding term insurance, that is the pure life insurance? So first one, that is eligibility. So who will be eligible for taking term insurance, or that is pure insurance? So basically the person, those who are earning something, he or she can eligible for the term insurance. But what is basic criteria or basic income or minimum income for that particular insurance? So those who are salaried person, so minimum limit for the term insurance for those, that is 2.5 lakh rupees annually. Number two, that is other businessmen or professionals need to on record, that is 5 lakh annual income, then he or she can take term insurance. So second aspect is that limits of life cover, that is sum assured. It is very important. So basically the person who is annually earning 2.5 lakh or annually earning of the person is 5 lakh. So basically multiple of 20 means, suppose a person earning annually of rupees 5 lakh, so multiple of 20 times, that is 1 crore. So maximum he or she can take term insurance for rupees 1 crore. Third technical aspect, that is premium age wise, that is probable or estimate premium. So in which age, what is the premium? It is very important, because once you are taking life cover and paying premium, so it is not refundable or it is not returned. As compared to other insurance premium, it is very cheapest all over the world. So it is very negligible as whole life, but we have to consider it. So sum assured is 1 crore, that is 1 crore, and the person is a non-smoker, and his or his age is 30 years and the cover age or cover term is 30 years. So basically in case of regular premium, he or she has to pay 15,000 to 25,000, and he or she want to pay it in limited pay, so he just need to pay 20,000 to 30,000 per annum. Means the different life insurance companies charging different premiums. So the person who wants to get this company or that company, that is his or her decision. So the features and the company's asset and company's renownation and company's brand, these are the different things. We will discuss it in another video, but the basic thing is that the premium is different from different life insurance companies. So fourth technical aspect is that add-on benefits. So number of life insurance companies issuing life insurance as well as the add-on benefits of that. So basically there are 3 or 4 basic add-on benefits over there. So number 1 is waiver of premium on critical illnesses. While in the term of policy, some assured person have critical illnesses and he is not able to do work or he is not able to perform his duties. So company have facility the person who have taken this add-on benefit. So company waive off his premiums and life cover to be continued. Number 2, accidental death benefit. With life cover or with sum assured, some accidental death benefit also providing or riders also providing some life insurance companies. It is also a decision of that particular insurer. Number 3, return of premium option. Some people are thinking that if you are paying premiums, so what about the return? Basic return or basic intention of this insurance is to get financial cover of his or her family. But some of them also thinking that if I am paying premium, so it should be recover or re-getting. So there is option, return of premium option. Number 4, disability benefits. Some of the time in the accident or some other kind of things, he is disabled and cannot perform the duties such time for the medical expenses, whatever issues over there. So there is also option to get this add-on benefits. Number 5, so what are the documents required for the term insurance? So first of all, the first condition is that the person who is earning or key person of that particular family, particular company, particular business, he or she is only eligible for the term insurance. So for salaried person, he has to produce basic KYC document, that is PAN, Aadhaar, his bank details, as well as an income proof. He need to provide or produce his 3 months salaries, basic salaries slip. Number 2, if he has form number 16, so minimum 2 years of form number 16, or ITR returns for 2 years. For the businessman, needs to produce ITR returns for 2 years, minimum 2 years, with 5 lakh of income as well as profit and loss account and balance sheet. With computation of that, then he is eligible for a term insurance. Friends, as you all know that these 5 are basic technical aspects of term insurance. Today's world is very vulnerable in that some of key persons, some of the family main earners have deaths with the pandemic, that is corona. So in the future, so many people come towards that particular term insurance, and his life covering and protecting or securing their families from the financial losses. So these are the technical aspects. Before taking any kind of pure or term insurance, you must have to keep in the mind these 5 aspects, and while paying premium term or while taking this insurance, you must have to consider these 5 technical aspects. Friends, while this kind of discussion, I must have to some free type tips or free or best tips for that term insurance. Someone just working and earning money, he must need to consider his financial liquidity, as well as he think about the financial protection of that salary which he is earning from his whole tenure, as well as what is the scope. Suppose he is able to pay with a limited pay, so the premium is very less. If he is not able to pay limited premium term, so he can take a regular or up to age of 60, that is his working age. So these are the basic thing, or these are the basic tips I have to give you. So Friends, I thought you have all cleared about the technical aspect of term insurance. Still you are watching my video, so my humble request to you, if you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get such a good videos in the next future. Thank you so much.